Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Umrit. Do you want to learn how you can create a beautiful textures on your skin? To learn this, let's get started the video. To follow this tutorial, you can download this image, link in the description. In first step, just go to adjustment layers and click on this new layer. We are creating here this blank layer. I'm just edit here its name to a skin texture. After this, just go to side panel and click on this edit. In this edit, you can select here this fill, or you can press a shift plus F5 key on your keyboard. I am just selecting here this fill and just select here this fill to a gray. I am just click on this gray. After this, just hit on a OK button. Now this blank gray layer is created. After this, just right click on it and convert this into a smart object. We are converting this into a smart object because if we later on needs to change its value, then we can change that easily. After converting this into a smart object, just go to top panel and click on this filter. In this filter, you can select here this filter gallery. I am just select here this filter gallery. In this, we are selecting here textures which we create on the skin. You can select here this texturizer. In this texture, I am just click on this texturizer. Just click on this and you can select here any texture you want. But in this, I am selecting here this sandstone. You can see here this textures on this canvas, and I am selecting here a light to a top left, because in our image the light is coming from a left top side. You can select according to your image where the light is coming from. I am selecting here this top left. You can also play with this scale value. I am just decrease here its scale value. You can select this scale value according to your preference. I am selecting here this 95% value, and you can also play with this relief. I am also decrease here its relief value. You can see here on a left side canvas this texture is how to look like. After this, I am just hit on a OK button. Now you can see here this texture layer is created. To apply this on our image, just change its blend mode from normal to overlay. Now you can see here this texture is created on our image. After this, just go to adjustment layers and click on this mask and press Ctrl plus I to invert this mask. After inverting this mask, just go to side panel and select here this brush tool and just select here this soft round brush and increase here its brush size and also decrease here its opacity. I am just selecting here a value of 20 or 22%, and I am also decrease here its flow. You can select according to your preference of the flow and opacity. After this, just paint on her skin where you want this textures. Make sure the foreground color is a white. I may just paint on her skin. You can just take your time and just paint where you want this textures on her skin. I may just paint here and there. Now you can see here this final result. This is before, this is after painting on this image. You can see here this skin textures on this image. I am zoom this for you. This is before, this is after creating this skin texture on our image. This is looking more beautiful. With these simple steps, you can create a skin textures on your image. That's it. I hope you really enjoy this video. If you did, make sure you like this video and also subscribe this channel for more tutorial like this. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.